Yeah, I don't know about that one. The cool. Oh, is that the fucking?
I know you know mistakes in timesheets and payrolls
Yeah,
can
it's the
cost you a lot. It's
touchpad.
time for a change. Connect Team is the employee management platform with a digital time clock, which
Ladies and gentlemen, not have to worry about thermals. And then plug it in. It will display. Be implementing the. I will show you that Wes using. Then it's done that bug again where it gets rid of it. But there we go. We're back. When it's working, this is.
I don't know, nothing crazy appealing, to be honest. I'd like a screen like on the top, maybe. A small screen on the top. I guess it was only that one. Sounds pretty cool. Got a handle on it too. Where's like the controls though? This is alright, this one could be good. interesting. I don't know if I like that dust and all that shit. Oh yeah, can I get airtight one? Yeah, no, that's too complicated. Oh, my brother from California. Oh, I say, my brother still doesn't understand nigga lingo at all, but maybe one day. Um, okay, unique. I like this. I was just like the one I just saw. Alright, that was nothing crazy to be honest. Yeah, that was anything crazy. Okay. I would like a band. Like, if I put it on the floor, you know what I mean? Like, I want it to be at like a 45-degree angle. Why you break the glasses? Why you? Probably JK. Or GK. I don't. You know JK.
Check out this dope PC case that comes with a built-in 8-inch screen. This is the Johnsbow D31 Max.
Hey everyone, this is Brad from Height. Today we're going to be doing a quick
I want it like that, but just the screen to be slanted. I only like this shape.
We're looking at the best cases available right now for our 2024 edition of the Best Cases Roundup. We took a year off, so it's good to be back to it. We broke back into case reviews this year and have added to our case collection. It's not a problem if you acknowledge it. At least that's what I tell myself. This roundup highlights the best cases we think are available in 2024 based on our thermal benchmarks, acoustic tests, build quality evaluation, and cable management testing. This year was packed with excellent cases, but of course, a few that were
Yeah, this is pretty lit. Diamond period. Huh? The fuck is this? This is stupid. So it looks pretty nice. It's actually valid, okay. Marketed a 3.2 slot, but it came with a 2.0. Yep, it says right there, yep. 3.0 slot. It's probably the same case as this one. This is the older model. Do I need all these fans? Is that gonna make it worse? They're gonna make it loud? How does it work? Yeah, it might be pretty loud with all those fans, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna already have all this liquid cooling. Am I gonna need these fucking fans? I'll be honest, this is the first case I've seen with fans installed, pre-installed in it. Is that common or? So apparently it's not strong. I see. Yeah, the back brace is pretty weak. Okay. Oh man. Yeah, it's official. I'm just not gonna find a case until fucking 5 months from now, 'cause I'm a little picky piece of shit. The fuck. Alright, I fuck with handles, but that's pretty retarded. Oh no, I fuck with this. I think we're just gonna pull the trigger on this one. I don't know why they got this shit in the front, but I like the handles on top. I don't know what the fucking point of the front handles are, but those white horizon. The fuck is going on? Oh, there's a different types. Okay. Yeah, no. Go with that type. Yeah, it's this one. Well, they're pretty color as well. plus and the horizon look exactly the same. Whatever. That's a 502. Okay, I want the 501. There's only one USB? Really? That's kind of bullshit, I ain't gonna lie. Whatever, I'll just call this one for now. Do the rest later, it's already... Is there really only one? No, that's two, what are they talking about? They're tripping. Alright, boom. Word. Okay. We're already at almost $2,000. Operating system monitor definitely will bring us to $2,000. But and then plus the graphics card, so we're really at like we're realistically at over $3,000 already. So, but yeah, gonna have this fucking monster build, y'all. No cap, no cap. And I'll probably have the OS picked out for you already by tomorrow, and then if I don't have the monitor ready, we'll do that tomorrow on the stream. But yeah, it's late as all hell. I need to start heading to bed. So as always, y'all, fucking let's switch to the face cam. As always, y'all, thank you for tuning into the streams. Thank you for tuning into the wicked late night of streams we've been doing lately. So I've just been feeling under the weather and, you know, doing all this PC stuff and, you know, a couple other, you know, life stuff. But just gotta keep grinding, gotta stay on the horse. Love content, love making content for all of y'all, love gaming, love entertaining. Love having fun with all of y'all, so. And this again, Silver. I don't know. Should we pick a monitor? Yeah. Yeah, we can pick a monitor. Alrighty. Um. No, there's cheaper ones I saw. $200 Hertz still looks good. screen. That's probably nasty. I'm on like I'm dead ass on like a 60 hertz monitor. Might even be less. Oh, fuck me. What's that,
Hi, my name is.
Hi, my name is Go Fuck Yourself. Best OLED gamer. Oh, fuck.
If you are looking.
Yeah, this one. What is it not on Amazon? It's like $100 more on Amazon. What the fuck? What the fuck? That's what I call bullshit. This is a good deal right here. This is a really good deal. It makes me think, do I even need the 240 hertz if there's 180 hertz for fucking $140? You know what I mean? Like, do they sell KTCs at Best Buy or no? They sell KTCs, but not this version. But, oh wait, is that it right there? No, it's not even an OLED. Oh, I think this might be it. Yeah, about $600. What's this? Where's the fucking hurts me? No, it's not even an OLED. What the fuck is this shit? Bro, Google ad SEO is dog shit nowadays, eh? But yeah. I think that's the schmoove for the main one. And of course, they don't got it, but it's okay. I figured they wouldn't, to be honest. Yeah, because look at the cheapest OLEDs they got on this Johnny site is oh wait, is that it right there? I think that might be it right there. No. No, that's an LG. Cooler Master. What's this? Should I get this instead? What's this? What is this? What is this? I never heard of Cooler Master. Ooh, it's a big. Wait, what? No, this. It says only 140. Oh, to 240. This is a big Johnny. To 180. You can get this whole 34-inch one for only under $300. I really wish games were like all goodly updated for that, because that shit looks lit. I ain't gonna lie. Probably because everyone wants an OLED now, so you could probably make any IPS VA monitor in a bunch of different sizes for reasonable prices. I'm not gonna lie, part of me does want just a fucking big ass fucking screen, but oh yeah. There's your 27 by 10s too, I heard. I want like a taller vertical screen, that would be cool. What do the reviews say on this, John? Wait, why does it say aspect ratio 16 by 9? Michael confused. Yeah, we'll figure this one. Yeah, we'll figure this one out tomorrow. Yeah, we'll figure this. Oh, yeah, we'll figure this one out tomorrow. I'm a tired boy. But yeah. If anyone got any recommendations for me, please send it over. What I'm gonna try to do is gonna have like one nice OLED monitor, so probably this one, if it is nice enough. As my main gaming monitor. I know ultra wide is kind of a controversy when it comes to gaming monitors, but this claims to have a 240 hertz refresh rate, so I feel like that would make it alright. And I'm getting an insane build, as you guys can see, so it'll be more than enough to handle. Yeah, so I want one main nice monitor for the gaming and all that, and then to be honest, I kind of just want to like cheap out on the rest. Should get like 2, fucking maybe even 3 if I can fit a vertical one, but just 2 shitty monitors. Fuck it, I might even keep this monitor. Why not, you know? So yeah, I'll probably just get this nice ass monitor, keep this monitor, keep it on the side. My current monitor, keep it on the side, and then grab another shitty monitor type shit. But if this is good enough, I feel like this is a good enough monitor. It's $530 fucking dollars. I feel like this is too good. I feel like I could go down. I feel like I could just get a non-OLED fucking 240 hertz and fucking 4K type shit and get for cheaper, no cap. But maybe not 4K, but still. But yeah. How big is this? I don't even know. This is a 16 by 9. This ain't an ultra wide. But yeah. We almost there, y'all. I'm surprised this one isn't on it. It is weird. That is weird. But yeah. So what is that? Let's do all the math right now. I don't even want it, but you got it, right? 2060, 36 plus. Fuck it. This shit's probably gonna cost $1 million. Wait, what? You can save $200 on an OLED here if I buy this. I might not get this one. I might get, a lot smaller one. This might be dumb for all I know. $200 on. I'll be honest, I want W OLED though. I like W's. QD. LG, not a Sam's. Oh yeah, that's also a $900 fucking plus thing. So The most I can get it for is $700-800. Like, it's not even anything special. But anyway, so 1,300. Actually, yeah, what's 1,300 times, what's tax again? Like 6.25, right? Sales tax. Damn, I'm spending. Is that even right? That can't be right. Is that right? Oh, wait, what? I'm putting in wrong numbers out here. Sorry, guys. Alright, that makes more sense. Okay, 82 bucks in tax. Okay. So then plus 2016. Oh, this ain't looking good. This ain't looking good, ladies and gentlemen. 530. Let's call it call it 535 just to be safe. Oh, bro, this is gonna be a $4,000 fucking PC. Yeah, it's only gonna take like a month or two to work for if I actually save though. Plus you minus like 800 I put in from tax returns. Maybe shave some off because I don't, like, if I don't even need the graphics card. And get like the $300 cheaper version, shit like that. The Founders Edition, but. And then. Shit. How long will it take me to make like $4,000? If I make 18 bucks an hour, plus take away taxes. Actually, that's kind of an exaggeration. Let's call it 8-1. 1458. That sucks, I ain't gonna lie. Don't worry, I'm gonna go back to bartending once like my foot fails or back to some form of making better money. When my foot heals. But wait, what am I? Oh, I'm an idiot. What did I just do? I just had a whole brain aneurysm there. Damn, that's a lot of hours, I ain't gonna lie. $34 days. Yeah, it's like 2 months of work and saving. Nothing crazy. It's gonna be a bitch, I ain't gonna lie. But I'll get her done. Hopefully, maybe I can grab a cheap ass fucking car in between too, so maybe I could do some Uber as well. But yeah. Looks like we're going the right direction though. So that's good. That's good. Ah, why is my foot hurting extra tonight? I wish there was a manual thing I could put in here. Yeah, that's dumb. Oh, is it because it doesn't even have a name? Like, it's just KTC 27 inch. That is kind of bullshit, I ain't even gonna lie. Yeah, like, what the like, what? That's ridiculous. It must be one of these, right? Oh God, you gotta have a fucking product. You gotta have a model name. You gotta have a model name on the thing you're selling, bro. Like, come on. Oh, I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. God. Like, oh wait, okay. G27B6. That. Okay, so it is this one. It is. Oh, that took some fucking digging. Oh, it's like a TV monitor. Oh. Oh.